This one says I love you to his daddy.
I love you, Daddy.
This one says I love you to his mommy.
Mommy.
Say I love you, mommy. This one says I love you, bear. Can you say I love you, bear?
I love you, Bear.
Yeah. This one says I love you, park. Can you say I love you, park?
I love you, Papa.
Yeah. This one says I love you, food. Can you say I love you, food?
I love you.
Food. Yeah, good job. Okay, look at this one. This one says I love you, Grammy. Can you say I love you, Grammy?
I love you. I love.
Can you say I love you, Baka?
I love you, Papa.
Yeah. Can you say I love you, Mimi?
I love you, Mimi.
Can you say I love you, Papa?
I love Papa.
Yeah. Can you say I love you, Jake?
I love you, Jake.
Can you say I love you, Josh?
I does.
Yeah. Can you say I love milk?
I love
Can you say I love my shoes?
I love you, shoes.
Yeah. Can you say I love your house?
I love house.
Can you say I love you, kitties?
I love you,
Can you say I love you, window?
I love you, Nana.
Can you say I love you, daddy?
I love you, Daddy.
Can you say I love you, mommy?
I love you, Mommy.
Good job.